Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need Safari because the Netflix app often blocks picture-in-picture. Open Netflix. Com in Safari and sign in. Once the video is playing, tap the full screen icon, then look for the Pi-P button or use a two-finger tap to bring up player controls. If you don't see Pi-P, make sure your device iOS/iPadOS is up to date and Pi-P is enabled in settings. Begin playback and keep audio/video active. The controls will unlock the Pi-P option, so you can move to the next step. Once the Pi-P window appears, you control placement and size, drag the Miniplayer to a corner that doesn't obstruct content, and pinch to resize if needed. You can also swipe the video off-screen to keep audio only and bring it back with a tap. Use the small controls to pause, resume, or rewind. Tap the expand arrow to return to full Safari. Make sure subtitles and audio track are correct before moving on, because changing them is easier from the full player. To finish, tap the Pi-P expand control to return to full-screen Safari when you need episode controls or settings changes. That keeps your spot. If Pi-P won't start, refresh the page, close other tabs, or open a private window and sign in again. This clears session hiccups. If problems persist, restart the device, check for iOS/iPadOS and Safari updates, and confirm Pi-P is enabled in settings. These steps resolve most failures and restore the only reliable Pi-P method for Netflix on iOS devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.